Hello Lou, I'm Lupe here with Porsche Colorado Springs, and here is the 2023 GT3 RS tribute to the Carrera RS. I'm going to take a few minutes to go around the car and show you the condition and what makes this one so unique. So there's 150 of these made worldwide, and they were all shipped into the US. That's why there's a little flag on there. I love the green on this. Green wheels, green mirrors, green decal along the side, and there's even green stitching along the inside. Look at that. That is pretty neat. Goes all across the inside, even on the seats. The current mileage, we are sitting at 58 miles as it sits right now. I'll touch more on the inside in just one moment. Let's go around the outside and have a closer look. I noticed there is paint protective film on the whole front end. Full bumper, all of the fender, the entire hood, the roof has it. The stone guard that comes from the factory, that's this area. It's a high impact zone. And down here on the fenders, this area, even under there, has all been protected. That's really great to see on that. This is certified. You'll have Porsche's unlimited mile warranty until July of 2029. Really great to see. Underneath of this, there is no scuffing. I was looking really closely. Sometimes these cars that are a little lower, they get a little scuff going in and out of the parking lots, but that is smooth all underneath. I did notice a tiny little blemish on the paint protective film right there. That's on the PPF, not on the paint itself. But the rest of this is all in really great shape. All right, let's go over here onto the passenger side. I want to have a closer look. We do have Porsche's carbon composite brakes with the high gloss black brake calipers. Moving on this side, this all looks really nice. Along the inside, let's take a quick look. We have black leather with this mamba green stitching all across on the dash. Lots of race text on the dash, race text on this lower section, race text on this knee bolsters right there, race text in the center of the seats. Those are the carbon fiber bucket seats. It does have the fire extinguisher. Look at this little touch. That's pretty nice. All right. And while I'm on this side, I like to look really closely at these stone guards. Sometimes you see little imperfections, but there's none on that. It looks really great. It's only got 58 miles on that. Back here on this section, there's also paint protective film on this rear bumper. This area right here, if you can see really faintly, that's on both sides. And that protects it against debris as the tire's rotating. Along the back, this is all clear. Look at the tail lights. Those are the exclusive design tail lights, and they're all clear as opposed to red like you see on this one. That looks much nicer. Green Porsche on the underside on that wing. And let's have a quick look at the inside. I want to confirm the miles and have a closer look in here with you. Under door projectors on that, nice. 58 miles. Race text on the dash, race text on the headliner. That looks really nice. Here along the inside, we do have the front axle lift, electronic dampening control, rear traction control, all the stuff like normal. And here on the steering wheel, we have all your controls for your suspension. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any specific questions. Happy to assist. My cell phone number is 719-761-7550. Bye-bye.